Like this, optimize the entire model, and this part also. See? You can optimize. You can, if you want, you can keep this. This is fine, but like try to optimize as much as possible. Wherever it's not required, remove it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right. Similarly, this section is not required. Remove it.
yes, sir.
So like this, you have to optimize the entire model and make sure.
Yes, sir. I'll try it.
uh, So you have to clean the model, clean geometry, and all the inside areas wherever your model is not visible. Delete those unwanted polygons.
Okay.
So it will optimize. Right now, it have almost 18,000 polygons, right? So it with leaves and all, it will increase even further. So try to keep everything as low as possible and optimize it and fix everything. And like suppose now this section, this section. So here we have added all those lines. So these lines are not doing anything. So you have to fix it. Here also you have to optimize it. Optimize. Just one triangle and saves a lot of polygons. See, become clean. Now similarly, this section I can fix, I can remove. This line also not required. This is also not required, but this line is required. That is something you have to create. So I'll keep that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clean. So now like this, you have to optimize everything one by one. Like suppose I remove this and remove this also, remove this also. It's also not required, right? So it becomes super clean. Now, what you can do is right click, cut, select this, cut it here, this one, cut it here, for this one, cut it here. Now, and center part you can see, this is not quad, connect it here, or maybe here. And W, go to your edge mode, select this edge, now remove it. Now you can see it's a highly optimized mesh, no unwanted loops. So you write like this, you have to optimize your model also. So you have to keep this thing in mind, like it's not like you're not using unwanted edges or unwanted vertices, loops and all, because those things are not doing anything. There's no, if you have it or don't have it, doesn't matter,
Yes,
right? Like this, you have to optimize. Okay, and let's see what else. Similarly, rest looks fine. Okay, the rest looks fine. So it's cup
part sometimes, sir, the chimney's upper part, the cover.
cover.
Yes, sir, chimney, sir, chimney.
Uh,
Upper part, sir, there is sometimes it's happening like that.
sometime what is happening?
Chimney, sir, chimney. Can you go to the chimney, sir? Chimney view.
Yes.
Back side, sir, back side.
Okay.
Can you rotate it, sir?
Okay, it's end gone.
Yes,
So you have to
sir, yes,
connect.
sir.
You have to connect.
I don't know. Whenever I'm taking OBT, it's happening like that.
So yes, because there is nothing in between, right? So you have to create like this one. You select these two and connected, this one and this one connected, because geometry is wrong, right? Until
Okay,
unless
sir.
you fix it, until unless, because it's full of n-gons. That is the
Yes,
main
sir.
problem, right? And if you have n-gon, all this problem will happen. If you don't
Yes,
have,
sir.
if you don't have n-gons, everything will be clean. So you can see now it's getting clean. So you have to
Yes,
connect
sir.
top part and bottom part, both the side you have to clean it. That is really important.
Yes, sir.
It's all connected. Now you can see base part is connected and clean. So similarly, now what you can do is select this one plane. Base part is ready. Apply this thing. Separate this. Detach it. Select this. Apply a shell. Shell, no outer, inner. This is what you want, right? So like this, you will create. So it's all quads. Everything is nice, clean. Everything is connected. And then right click, collapse all polygon. So this mesh is ready now.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you have to make sure there is no n-gons. Because of n-gons, all these problems are happening. So make sure
Yes, sir.
remove all the n-gons.
And check it again.
Hmm?
And check it again, sir.
Okay. Hmm. So now
Before
similar.
unwrapping it.
Okay, no problem. For similarly for this also, you can see this particular loop is doesn't require. This loop not required. And whatever is not visible, delete. Not visible, delete.
Yes,
This
sir.
delete. Keep them empty. Oh, if it's visible, keep it there. If it's not visible, delete it.
Yes, sir.
And like this one, like for this section, so what you have to do is delete this entire inside area inside this thing because it's not required. Then go to border and push them slightly inside the wall, slightly intersecting with the wall, so it won't be visible, right? Like this, clean it everything nicely. So like fix all the issue and similarly connect everything. This part is it like this?
Yes, sir. In reference, it's like,
Okay, so check everything and looks fine. And now piece is this thing. Let us select all this thing. There also I feel there is, oh, see, okay. Backside also you have planes. Those planes are not required. So you have to optimize your model, delete them. It's not required.
yes,
Until
sir.
now, unless the backside is visible, until now, unless that section is visible, no, we delete it. So it will reduce the load of geometry from your system and it will become easy to control. UV also become easy. Less polygon, less UV. So now your model is ready. Model is almost you done. So
Yes, sir.
how you will do it is you have to what you have to do is select them, then detach it. So this corner here you can keep few polygons. So what you'll do is I want to isolate this. So how you can isolate? You can see there's an option called hide unselected. Now it will hide unselected, and now you can see everything. Now delete. Right now you delete only this surface. Because all this inside hidden areas taking a lot of polygons, and that will make your system heavy, file heavy, and a lot of problems. So keeping your file optimized is very important. And you can see this inside, all these sections are not visible. So now if I want, I can delete those two, and plus this thickness also not visible, delete. So like this, you have to plan everything properly. If there is anything is unwanted, unnecessary, make sure delete it. This is fine.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you have to optimize. If you optimize, your file size will come down, plus your poly count will come down, and UV will become easy, because unwrapping this will become easy rather than have a solid object. Solid object will take a long time to unwrap. If you have a hole in your model, it will be easy to unwrap. Right, so like this you can clean, and to get back your entire model, go to element mode, select anything, and go to unhide all. Otherwise, this unhide you cannot do. Right click unhide, it won't work.
Okay.
Hmm. So like this, you can clean everything and make sure optimize your model, make it bit smoother, clean, no n-gons,
Yes, sir.
and rest looks fine. Rest looks fine. Yeah, rest looks fine. So do it as quickly as possible. Okay, so that like, and if you're stuck anywhere, get back to me. We'll discuss and fix it. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll email you.
Okay, yes, of course you mail me. Huh? Okay, then okay, just give me a second. I'll take a contact. Debashish and Prithviraj. Prithviraj present. What happened to the rest of them? I don't know. Okay. Okay, just fix it, and then we'll like start like movie and everything, and text and everything nice, and push it to Unreal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'll see you guys.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Well,